As the president of Saudi Pharmaceutical Society, I would like to welcome all of you to the 12th annual meeting of GCC Pharmacy Congress. This Congress is characterized by sharing the experience with our colleagues in the GCC countries and many other countries in the area. Also, this meeting has very interesting scientific topics that should be discussed. As well, the lectures are given by very experienced speakers from the area. So we would like to see you at the end of October in Dubai for the GCC Pharmacy Congress.